Honorable Speaker, sir, start question number 309.
Honorable Speaker, sir, answer to start question number 309. Koda, Department of Fishery, Government of Manipur na. How ki bachahi mga romsida regional pengba fish sit farm how taki infrastructure sing leptana sengutuna lagli. Koda fama singi oiba chakot thorang sing lay kangan jage.
Honorable Speaker, sir, supplementary kita thamjage. Yamna nungaijare Council Honorable Minister na Fishery Department ki maikai dagi pek leba pakhom se sahi manga kudingi hairiba mafam sigi infrastructure sing semgalaga lei haiba adubu mafam maduda thabak tawraga leiriba sahi ahum kudingi list tawraga gram belta permem thiraga leiriba igi farmer sing aduna matam ga sanana semgat tabna maram oiraga hairiba mafam asi da thabak tawriba family si 31 houses ni sir aduga apunba missing na 150 muni hariba sing si hariba pharmacy da makhoi gi depel tawni aduga loina na masigi pak sawba aigi lairiba hariba resident pengba sit from pisa si pak sawba si 50 hectares muni sir adu masi yariba makai honorable council minister amadi department ki maikai dagi khoi athuba da khare hen mieng sangbiraga masai mafamduda premier oiriba parja sing aduna member sing aduna koi awat sing hair pasi mention biu loina nga sigi speaker to the august house sigi khudong chaba lojraga honorable council minister ki puning chingsin jari madudi phil inquiry amutang pin verification amutang mari laina ba department ki missing pubiraga koi athubuda amutang pibiu adugo loina na honorable council minister na hairiba premier sing asigi kudong saba koi pibi yabagi lai habirabani na kudong saba sing adu kari no nasi agas house asida thambiyo. Thank you, sir.
Honorable Speaker, sir, hogi hojiki the regional pengba fish sit farm how tak kisi koi Manipur gi yamna maru oiba farm ama khangni koi state government na yamna early 1980s so that established togiba fish farm ni maramdi hogi state fish si pengba oibani na pengba gi production ji hena puthoknaba aduga magi masa su lo nanaba haidana yamna kupna khoi honor kanda maina tawgiba adumba fish farm ni ai isamak su hoi honorable member ga tawrakanda khoi masi aina hek department si paijabuga khoi field visit ama already khoi chatlure aduda khoi infrastructure sing matamga chunadabaduna mo orga su khoi honorable member na pambisina hojik modernization to pambo orangani na khanjai aduga hojiki oinadi for the last 5 years hoi renovation to ba adagi low lying area da land development to ba adagi officing renovation to ba staff quarters renovation to ba adum chatharaga lai haija tare aduna maruina hoigi modernization to ba hai duda hoi honorable member ga phaminara kan kai pamno haibana chingbo hoi punna phaminara ga tongmina si haibasima sumaina thamjage aduga maruina hoi fishery department na pakhaliba scheme sing hoi honorable leader of the house ki hoi fish production sida da hena focus tawjaba sina marum orkanda hoi mamangi term dagi hoi loktak livelihood mission haidana hoi scheme ama hoi honorable leader of the house na tawkanda semjabani ro hai ba scheme sida hoi maruina case culture pen culture adagi nga masa marum hatchery gi sina chingbasi tawrakanda nga masa puthokanda farmer singsi khudong chana na ba mogi livelihood ki damakta khoi madugi achauba kana ba ma piri haidana sumaina khoi gi state ki oiba ma sumaina lei haina thamjage aduga maruina khoi gi honorable prime minister gi ngami singi welfare gi damakta khoi pradhan mantri machaya sampada yojana haidana khoi yamna maru oiba scheme ma lei sigi makhada khoi scheme gi component mayam lei madu pathok lei taragadi matam changadabani na ai adamaina leiba poching edu honorable member gi kenoda khanganana bai tawjage haidana ai sumaina tamjage waham kharaji tamjage tension jari